Are you looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in Petaluma for under $1 million? Well, you need to come check this out. Enjoy privacy in this spacious backyard that has established fruit trees and also ready-to-go vegetable beds. Plenty of shade in the covered patio and the built-in gazebo. Here, I'm at the spacious family room, great for entertaining, sitting with the family. You do have a built-in barbecue and 2 skylights with electric retractable skylight covers. Did I mention this home has 2 living spaces, great for those large parties? Do you enjoy cooking? Well, this kitchen has plenty of space for that and tons of storage, which reflects throughout the house. The downstairs den is large enough to utilize as a bedroom for the extended family since you have a full bath right next door to it. You have a fully functioning sauna. The spacious primary bedroom features tons of storage, a walk-in closet, and a fully remodeled ensuite bathroom. You'll find well-maintained hardwood floors in each of the 3 upstairs bedrooms. Contact me for more details on this beautiful East Petaluma home. See you next time.